Hey everyone, in today's video we will solve don't use client-side PicoCTF. So let's start. Go to the website and you can see there is a login portal. So enter anything and verify. So it says that incorrect password. So what you have to do is first inspect or to page source. Here you can see there is the part of flags. So you can see first the 0, split. This is the first part. So the second part will be split, comma, split star 2. Okay, this will be the second part, and the third part will be split star 2 comma split star 3 and so on. So copy like that and paste it here. Now submit it and it's done. So thanks for watching.